Online learning has its advantages. It can encourage lifelong learning, as well as it can improve the literacy competence of students towards computer and technology. However, it comes with its own challenges, and knowing how to manage some of these challenges while doing virtual classes is very important for you as an educator. Hence, explain why for today's video, I will share with you 3 common problems that educators face during virtual classroom, as well as tricks or techniques in which you can manage these problems. Stay tuned to find out more. Hit the subscribe button. For today's video, I'm sharing 3 common problems that educators face during online classes, as well as tricks or techniques in which they can manage this problem. The first one is getting your students to concentrate on what you're teaching, that is, gaining the students' attention. It's very difficult to gain the attention of students in virtual classes as compared to a normal classroom setting, because this is virtual setup. You are not there with the student to manage him or her one-on-one. Therefore, you have to rely on virtual tools in order to win the students' attention. How do you get to solve this problem? The very first thing you have to do is to set out clear goals or expectations before your classes. Let the student understand what exactly is expected of them. And if you're giving homework or assignment, make sure your goals or what you intend to achieve is well explained and the students actually understood what is demanded of them. The second problem that you as an educator and learners as well might face in virtual classes is getting the students and parents to understand and get used to the intricacies of setting up a virtual classroom or joining a virtual classroom. Technology is new to many. Think of those people that live beyond the poverty rate or line level. They don't have enough money. Therefore, getting gadget is quite difficult. So this new concept of technology is quite different for them on their part. Telling a parent who has never used a computer or iPad to set up a Zoom profile will be very, very difficult. That equally applies to the child in question or children who might have very limited knowledge on how to operate these technologies. Therefore, how do you solve this problem as a teacher or as an institution as a whole? Use in-house training. I wouldn't say you go out and hire expert because this might be expensive. In-house training, yeah, you are looking at colleagues that are good with technology. You can rely on their expertise to teach parents and students alike prior to your classes or before your classes on how to set up a virtual classroom, be it in whatever platform you're using, maybe Google Meet or Zoom. So make use of your expertise within your workplace. Once again, if you're just tuning in, this is NDANGOH'S Diary. Please show some love to this channel by hitting the subscribe button, like the video and share with friends and family. And the last point I want you to consider is how to teach students on how to manage their time effectively during a virtual classroom, most especially when you give them something to do, an activity. Time management is very important. It's important to you as a teacher because you've got to plan your lessons and you've got to determine how long you want this lesson to run. It's equally important on the part of your student to know how they are going to tackle or handle the exercises that you, the teacher, is going to give to them. Once again, before this class time or virtual class period, you have to teach your learners, inform them of what they've got to do help them understand your expectation and tell them exactly what time they have got to complete this exercise. These three problems that I've mentioned are among other problems that educators, learners, as well as parents of students face during virtual classroom. Therefore, it's your responsibility, your utmost responsibility as an educator to help provide solutions to these problems in order to make online learning or virtual classroom more enjoyable. If you like this video, I call on you to hit the link of the next video that you see at the end of this video to gain access to other videos about our virtual classroom management. I love you all. Once again, stay tuned for more videos. It's weekend and I'm going to keep the channel with lots of videos for your viewership and listening pleasure. I love you all. Bye-bye.